Stop. Fine.
Are you friends with Adam on Snapchat? Almost. Just switched the wrong way. Like that. Oh, thank you.
I almost got it, Clyde. You would have had it another 20 minutes.
Right.
So this is currently like day 3. What are you talking about? Of this exhaust install. What? So the first night, at the beginning of the video, backing it onto the ramps, we really didn't get much done. We didn't really get much done. I have no part in this install. So, yeah, because the bolts were rusted and that, yeah, all that good stuff. So, yeah, had to chop this one off. And then we've got some broken bolts under there. The bolts broke off, so they have to be tapped out and that. So, and then the rubber mounts on the hangers. This one might still be good. I think this one's one of the broken ones. Yeah, it broke here.
Come on, you son of a nut.
And it broke here in the middle too.
Listen.
So, I think got some new ones of those coming. So I think Hansel's gonna try to drive it home tonight with just that,
Stay tuned. We're gonna have a straight piping startup, right?
yeah, with just that middle pipe there.
Yeah.
Just a straight pipe, basically.
With a resonator on it.
Yeah, with a resonator on it. If that'll do anything to quiet it down or not, but until he gets the rest of the stuff to install the rest of this beautiful stainless exhaust. So, stay tuned, guys, because we're going to be starting it up and see how bad it runs without an exhaust system on it.
Shut it.
Shut up! And then, see how loud it is, too. Okay, so...
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So, as you all don't know, I just straight piped the Mini, so let's see how she sounds. I think she's gonna sound like a trapper.
It's still cold, Frankie.